Hello everyone, welcome to Laser 360 Clinic. Today we are in conversation with Dr. Neeraj Goyal, Senior Laparoscopic and Laser Surgeon from Max Super Speciality Hospital, Patparganj. So today we will be having a discussion on hemorrhoids, which is commonly known as piles, with Dr. Neeraj Goyal. So sir, welcome for the discussion.
Hi, Dr. Divya.
Sir, normally, first of all, I would like to ask you what is piles or hemorrhoids? Mostly people suffer from that. So, can you explain it?
Piles are engorged venous cushions. जो ब्लड वेसल्स हमारे रेक्टम और इनल कैनाल में ब्लड वेसल्स जो ब्लड वापस लेके जाते हैं और जो वहाँ पे ब्लड लाते हैं, वो जो नसें हैं, जो ब्लड वेसल्स हैं, उनके डायलिटेशन और एनगॉजमेंट से जो कुशन जैसे मासेस बन जाते हैं, जो धीरे धीरे हमारे रेक्टम में जोर लगाने की वजह से जब हम स्ट्रेनिंग करते हैं, काफ़ी सालों में जाके जो इस तरह के कुशन बन जाते हैं, उनको हम लोग हेमरॉइड्स या पाइल्स कहते हैं। बहुत कॉमन लैंग्वेज में लोग उसको बवासीर भी कहते हैं।
तो सर ये कैसे होता है, क्या कॉजेज हैं इसके जिसकी वजह से ये प्रॉब्लम डेवलप होती है?
सबसे कॉमन कारण है बहुत समय तक जब हम डिफिकेशन के लिए, जब हम मोशन के लिए जाते हैं, when somebody goes to the loo and we sit there for a prolonged duration. Ideally, we should not sit for more than 2 to 3 minutes in the loo. We should come back in 2 to 4 minutes maximum. But practically, it doesn't happen. And therefore, over a very long period of time, when we keep straining every day, gradually these blood vessels, they keep on getting engorged and they lead to someday bleeding with stools. So, जो एक कॉमन हैबिट है जो सब लोगों को इंप्रूव करनी चाहिए वो है ज्यादा देर तक मोशन के लिए नहीं बैठना चाहिए. वी शुड नॉट स्पेंड टू मच टाइम देयर. सो इट इज स्ट्रेनिंग ड्यूरिंग डिफिकेशन. In addition to this, there may be a few more common causes, but I will say if we can just focus on this, then we can avoid piles or hemorrhoids.
ओके सर, क्या सिम्टम्स हैं या कैसे पता चलेगा किसी को कि उसे पाइल्स हुआ है, एग्जैक्टली वही प्रॉब्लम?
Commonest symptom of piles or hemorrhoids is bleeding with defecation. मोशन के साथ, स्टूल के साथ ब्लड आता है. एंड द very peculiar, very remarkable thing about the bleeding of piles is that it is absolutely painless bleeding for a very long time. Till the piles are not complicated, there should be no pain with piles. So painless bleeding, and that is fresh blood. We can ask the patient and we'll come to know it is either trickling of blood in the form of drops or a jet of stream of blood which comes out. So bleeding with piles is the commonest symptom. Second symptom you can hear from so many people who are having piles for a very long time, these cushions they gradually increase to a size where they start prolapsing or they start hanging outside the anal canal, anal opening. तब वो कहते हैं कि हमें कुछ मस्से जैसा फीलिंग हो रहा है, some masses coming out of the anus. So these are the two complaints with hemorrhoids most commonly.
Okay. Or sir, how can we avoid piles or hemorrhoids? Is there some way, dietary habit or something?
Yes, because it is related to straining during defecation, so it's a lifestyle problem to some extent. We can change, we can prevent by having a lifestyle where we are able to sleep properly, because straining happens when the anal sphincter is too tight, when the muscle is so stiff that it doesn't relax in response to the need for defecation. So to relax sphincter, we need to have a very good sleep, a peaceful, calm mind. If somebody is anxious, if somebody is very stressed, physically or mentally, by both these things, one will have a tight anal sphincter. So, having this kind of lifestyle plus plenty of liquids orally. If we take a lot of liquids, then what happens? It keeps our body so well hydrated that we are not deprived of water or we are not relatively dehydrated. So, plenty of liquids. And then dietary habits, any food item which causes dryness, which is devoid of too much of water, or which causes constipation, which is not helping in passing stool easily, should be avoided. So any food item which is constipating should be avoided. और कोई भी ऐसा खाने पीने का आइटम जिससे कि मोशन इजीली होता है, like papaya, चीकू, mangoes, all those food items or vegetables, that is where liquids also they help us. So these are the important ways as far as lifestyle is concerned. Plus, as I said, spending less time in the loo. So we should not go for defecation just because we need to go at that particular time. We should always go when we have enough pressure to defecate. If we can achieve this, to some extent we can prevent or we can delay the hemorrhoids.
सर कोई ऐसा स्पेसिफिक कॉल है जिससे पेशेंट को रियलाइज हो दैट ही शुड विजिट अ डॉक्टर नाउ या ही शुड गेट अ सर्जरी और ट्रीटमेंट डन?
I always say earlier we consult an expert, better it is for any disease. So is with hemorrhoids. If somebody experiences or notices bleeding with hemorrhoids, bleeding with stool, or a mass coming out of anus, or any symptom in the anal area, one should consult a surgeon. As soon as the patient comes to the surgeon, the diagnosis will be done. So early consultation will be definitely the most reliable preventive step.
बाकी सर अपने साइड से अगर आप कुछ कंक्लूसिव कहना चाहें, अभी बहुत सारा इन्फॉर्मेशन आपने दिया है लोगों के लिए, तो अगर उन्हें कुछ एक आपको कंक्लूजन बताना हो इस पूरे सेंटेंस?
I would like to say first step is identification of the problem. So as soon as one observe the symptoms, one should consult. When the diagnosis of hemorrhoids is made, hemorrhoids may be of various grades. We divide hemorrhoids into 4 degrees, 4 stages: first, second, third, and fourth. So if we can start the intervention, or if we can start the right lifestyle corrective measures in earlier stage, it will not progress to the next level, and therefore we will be able to avoid more major procedures or prolonged treatment if we can do that. So I will suggest taking all these precautions and whatever the advice the surgeon gives. Yes, I should also say most of the hemorrhoids beyond second stage need some intervention, some surgery. It may be whichever method, whether it is with laser or maybe open conventional classical surgery or maybe stapler sometimes. But if these hemorrhoids have progressed beyond second stage, then surgery is most likely an option which will need to be exercised. So if you want to avoid surgery, and I know nobody wants to get operated, so if you want to avoid surgery, consult the surgeon earliest. That's all.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much.